proactive English practice.
Good morning, Mrs. Davis. Happy 4th. Happy 4th of July, Lisa. Is there a parade today?
Yes, the big one, every year.
Where does it start?
Main Street, near the library.
What time?
10 o'clock. Don't be late.
Is it big?
Very big. Bands, flags, fire trucks.
Fire trucks? How fun!
And kids with red, white, and blue.
Our first 4th of July in America.
Your first? Oh, you'll love it.
What happens after the parade?
Everyone goes to Riverside Park.
For the fireworks?
Picnics first, fireworks at night.
I need to buy snacks. And decorations.
The party shop on 5th Avenue is open.
Thank you, Mrs. Davis.
Hi. I need 4th of July decorations.
Happy 4th! What are you looking for?
Flags, balloons, everything.
We have flag bunting for the porch.
What's bunting?
Small flags on a string. Very classic.
I'll take one. What else?
Balloons, red, white, and blue.
Yes, a big pack.
Pack of 20, $5.
And do you have streamers?
Long ribbons? Yes, same colors.
Red, white, and blue streamers.
Your house will look amazing.
Our first 4th of July here.
First one. You need a small flag too.
A flag to wave at the parade?
Exactly, $1.
2 flags. One for me, one for my wife.
$16 total. Happy holiday!
Thank you. Our porch will be beautiful.
Hi. I need snacks for a picnic today.
4th of July picnic? Fun!
What do people usually bring?
Chips, fruit, dips, and cold drinks.
I'll take 2 bags of chips.
Regular and barbecue flavor?
Yes, and strawberries.
Fresh strawberries are on sale today.
Perfect. And watermelon?
Aisle 1, pre-cut, ready to eat.
I love pre-cut. So easy.
Do you need napkins?
Yes. Where can I find napkins?
Aisle 6. We have flag print napkins.
Flag napkins? That's so cute.
Everyone buys them today.
And a big blanket for the grass?
Aisle 9, picnic section.
This store has everything.
Happy 4th. Enjoy the picnic.
Hi. I need food for a barbecue.
4th of July BBQ? Great!
What do you recommend?
Sausages are the most popular today.
What kind of sausages?
Beef, pork, or chicken?
I'll take 6 beef sausages.
Anything else?
Do you have marinated chicken?
Yes, BBQ marinade. Ready for the grill.
How many pieces in a pack?
8 pieces, $12.
I'll take 1 pack.
Do you have a grill?
The park has public grills.
Smart. Bring charcoal.
Charcoal? Where do I buy that?
We have small bags by the door.
Everything in one stop. Thank you.
Happy grilling! Enjoy the holiday!
Do you have 4th of July t-shirts?
Yes, this rack, all patriotic.
Oh, so many. Stars and stripes.
This one is popular. White stars on red.
Can I try it on?
Of course. What size?
Medium, please.
Fitting room is on the right.
How does it look?
It looks great on you.
Is it too bright?
It's the 4th of July. Bright is perfect.
You're right. Today is about color.
Red, white, and blue everywhere.
How much is it?
$12. Holiday special.
I'll take it. Can I wear it now?
Of course. Here's a bag for your other shirt.
I feel very American right now.
You look American. Happy 4th.
This park is packed.
Everyone is here. Look at the flags.
Where should we sit?
Under that big tree. There's shade.
Good idea. It's so hot today.
I'll spread the blanket.
Our first 4th of July picnic.
I have chips, fruit, and watermelon.
And I have sausages and chicken.
The public grill is over there.
I'll start the charcoal.
You know how to use a grill?
I watched a YouTube video last night.
YouTube Chef Mart.
Hey, the video was very helpful.
I love your star t-shirt, by the way.
You have one too?
I bought it this morning. We match.
Matching shirts. We're a real American couple.
Now go grill. I'm hungry.
Hi. 2 lemonades, please.
Regular or strawberry?
You have strawberry lemonade?
4th of July special. Red lemonade.
Red for the holiday. One of each.
One regular, one strawberry.
Large, please. It's so hot.
90 degrees today.
90. No wonder I'm sweating.
Ice cold lemonade is the answer.
How much for 2 large?
$6.
Here, keep the change.
Thank you. First 4th of July?
How did you know?
You looked at the fireworks signs.
We're excited.
Cedar Hill is the best spot.
Cedar Hill? Where is that?
North side of the park. You'll see it.
Thank you. And thank you for the lemonade.
Excuse me. Where's the best fireworks spot?
Cedar Hill, without a doubt.
The lemonade guy said that too.
Everyone knows Cedar Hill.
Is it far from here?
10-minute walk, north side.
Is it crowded?
Very. Go early. Find a good spot.
How early?
By 7, before sunset.
7. Got it.
Bring your blanket. Sit on the grass.
We have a big picnic blanket.
Perfect. Bring snacks too.
We have chips and watermelon left.
You're ready. First time?
Yes, our first 4th of July.
You're going to love the fireworks.
I can't wait. Thank you.
Happy 4th! Enjoy the show!
Excuse me. When do the fireworks start?
9 o'clock sharp.
9? It's only 6:30.
There's a concert first, at 7.
A concert? What kind?
A local band. Classic American songs.
That sounds fun.
The stage is over there. Free seats.
Free concert and free fireworks?
It's the 4th of July. Everything is free.
I love this holiday.
Where are you watching from?
Someone said Cedar Hill is the best.
Cedar Hill is perfect. Go at 7.
Go at 7. Fireworks at 9.
And don't leave too early after.
Why?
The grand finale is the last 5 minutes.
The grand finale?
The biggest fireworks. All at once. Boom!
I'm not leaving early. Thank you. Excuse me, is this Cedar Hill?
No, Cedar Hill is that way.
That way? But I came from that way.
There are too many people tonight.
I can't find my wife.
Where did you leave her?
Near the big oak tree. With our blanket.
Big oak tree? There are 5 of those.
She's wearing a Red Star t-shirt.
Half the park is wearing stars tonight.
Good point.
Call her.
My phone battery is at 2%.
2%? Send a quick text.
Where are you? Sent.
Now walk towards the big hill.
Wait. She replied, Cedar Hill, row 3. Row 3. Go up the hill, turn left. Thank you. You saved my 4th of July.
Happy 4th. Don't get lost again.
You found me.
Finally, I got so lost.
I was worried. Your phone died?
2%. Just enough for one text.
Where are you? That was a very short text.
I didn't have time for a long one.
Sit down. It's about to start.
Wait, look at this view.
The whole city is below us.
Thousands of people, all waiting.
I can't believe we're here.
Our first 4th of July.
Look, it's starting.
Wow, red and blue.
And white. All 3 colors.
The whole sky is on fire.
Listen, everyone is cheering.
Boom! That one was huge.
Gold and silver. So beautiful.
The park worker said, wait for the finale.
When is it?
The last 5 minutes, all at once.
Mark, look.
Oh, the finale!
Everything at once. Boom, boom, boom.
This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Happy 4th of July, Mark.
Happy 4th of July, Lisa.
I love our new life here.
Me too, every single day.